Hello everyone, welcome to Team WS channel. And in this video, I will show you how to fix weak security Wi-Fi warning on iPhone or iPad after iOS 14 update. So first of all, reset network settings. When you do reset network settings, all your connected Wi-Fi network and passwords, APN and VPN settings and cellular settings will be deleted. So to do this, open Setting app. Next tap on General. Now scroll down and tap on Reset. Here you have to tap on Reset Network Settings. Then enter your iPhone passcode. Tap on Reset Network Settings in the pop-up window and confirm this process. So now solution 2 is change your Wi-Fi security type. First go to Setting app. Tap on Wi-Fi. Make sure that Wi-Fi is turned on. Then tap Others. Enter the exact name of the Wi-Fi in the name field. Then tap Security. Here select your security type to WPA2 or WPA3. Then tap on Other Networks to return to previous screen. Enter the network password in the password field to tap Join. Now Wi-Fi network has been connected to your iPhone. If this video helps you, then hit like button and also don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.